Hello? Are you walking about? I can hear something outside moving around.
Tonight, we investigate an old country pub which closed its doors for the final time in 2012. The history of this building remains a mystery. Many teams have claimed to experience paranormal activity here. Knocking is said to have been heard on command, as well as footsteps along the upper floor. What awaits us inside the Blacksmiths Arms?
So, we're calling out for any spirits that are still here inside this pub, the Blacksmiths Arms. Could you please come forward? Make some kind of noise. To let us know that you are here with us. Maybe you used to live here. Or maybe you used to drink in here and this was your favourite place to come. Maybe this is where you came for your social life. If so, can you come towards me or this green light on the table? It won't harm you. Or walk towards me. I'm at the other bar. Come and let us know if you are here, why you're still wandering this pub. Come and join me, if there is anybody in this pub. Don't be afraid. So me and Mark were actually saying earlier, amongst ourselves when we first came in, that we haven't had any feelings in here. Sometimes we get the eeriness when we're walking into an abandoned building and, you know, it does put us on edge. But coming in here, we haven't really felt anything at all. Have we, Mark? Nothing, mate. Very calm. But is it the calm before the storm, as they say? Fingers crossed, eh, if it is. Yeah. Come on, make a noise for me. I'm getting a slight breeze. Is this you? Move something behind the bar for me if you can. We're sorry, we haven't introduced ourselves. My name's Mark. My name's Paul. It's me that was on the chair. I thought I heard a knock down. It was me on the chair. I'm going to come over to you, Mark. Yeah, man. If I can see where I'm going. It's pitch black, mate, honestly. It's so dark, mate, isn't it? My eyes are playing tricks. The thing is, there's posts and stuff everywhere. Broken bottles down there, Paul. Put your torch on, mate, because if you tread on them, it'd be a hospital job. These keep making a creaky noise, these bloody... What, the chair? Yeah. It's your weight, that is, mate. I know. Right, where shall I put the K2 on the bar, do you think?
Stick it on the bar, mate. I should imagine that's where they'd all be, won't they?
Yeah. Jesus Christ, mate, I literally can't see a thing.
Is there any locals who've passed away still come in this pub? If so, make a noise for me.
This won't stand on here, mate, for some reason.
Won't it?
We need a holder for this, you know.
Yeah.
Look, it's just falling forward.
Right. Let's
Put it
up
up
against that
against the
vinegar
glass.
bottle.
Vinegar bottle? It's a
Yeah.
glass. It's a wine glass, isn't it?
Yeah, there's
Wine
a vinegar bottle there. I put a sassarins, as it.
That'll do,
So-
there, that'll do.
Come towards these lights if there is anybody here. There's a red one and a green one. They won't harm you, I promise you. All they'll do is just flash and make a funny noise. And I bet you've heard a few funny noises in here in your pastime. We're from a little city called Stoke-on-Trent.
Camera clicking.
Is that the camera click?
Mm-hmm.
Come and tell us where you're from. Is that your stomach?
Your stomach,
That
mate,
wasn't
was.
mine.
I heard it.
That was not my
Well, it
stomach.
was
mate.
mine then.
That was yours. I can't believe it. Right, guys, as you can hear, Paul is having tummy troubles.
It must be catchy, guys. I've caught
be.
it from him.
Got to be catching.
So we know that this pub closed down in 2012. But I believe that it was open for many, many, many years.
Would any local farmers who've passed away still wander this pub? Is that you?
Where did that come from? I don't know.
Is that you?
Where did that come from? I don't know.
Is that you?
Where did that come from? I don't know. That was a shuffle on the floor, that was. Hello?
Are you walking about? What was it? Was it like a shuffle wanted?
Yeah, but I don't know where from.
Was it down by you there? It wasn't your shoes, it wasn't me.
No, I wasn't moving, mate. Was it something that's unsettled as I've
I
come
wonder if
through
the
there?
wind's blown that. Is that a piece of paper there on the floor?
It's a receipt roll, but
Yeah,
that's been
could
there
have blown.
all night.
Because I can feel a breeze. I don't know if it's coming through a window or what.
You just point your camera down that
Yeah,
way,
yeah,
mate.
yeah, mate.
I'm going to point this way. Let's just call out again, just to stay dead still.
I called out for if there was any farmers that still wander this pub, and we heard a bit of a noise. Was that you? Please come towards us. Don't be afraid. If you are watching us, make a noise to let us know that you're here. Use all your energy and use ours if you need to.
If it was you making that noise, could you repeat it for us, please? Just so that we know.
We aren't here to play games. We're really serious about what we do. We really want to communicate with people who've passed away. We want to find the truth So could you help us out on that journey we really want to find out? Did that make sense? No? I'm having a draft around my legs, I am, Paul. I don't know if that's what...
There is a draft coming through here, though.
Is that
mate.
what's moved that
I
roll?
can feel a draft.
Yeah, that's what's made that move then?
See, I don't know. It didn't sound anything like that.
Like a shuffle.
Like a shuffle. But there is paper here.
Exactly, that's what
Was
I'm saying.
my foot on it? I don't know. I mean, I was stood here. I'll have to listen back to it, mate. Did you not move your feet or anything like
nothing,
that? No,
mate, nothing at all. Seriously. I was like this, wasn't I?
It sounded at a distance, didn't it?
Was that it again?
No, that was my fingers. It could have been me unsettling something when I've been down there.
Could have been, mate.
It's quite possible.
Yeah.
We've noticed there's a lot of glass lying around on the floor and other items. Can you use your energy, use our energy to move something in this room? We would really, really appreciate it. There's a green light here at the bar. And I'll show you what it does. If you come towards it, it will make this noise and the lights will flash. That's all it'll do. It won't harm you in any way. Would that be possible?
There's also, in the other part of the bar, there's a red light. If you go towards that, that'll just flash a colour and just make a noise similar to the one what Paul's just showed you. Please, if you are here and you do exist, make any kind of noise to let us know.
Shall we whack the ghost tube out, mate?
Yeah, have a go with that, eh? We can bounce off it, can't we, a bit, if anything.
Yeah.
If it mentions a pub, it's a bit weird, isn't it? You know what I mean? So, come on, let's get it going.
It's really quiet, guys. We have had a noise. It sounded like a shuffling noise, but I'm not too sure. We can't be sure until I listen back to it, mate.
Doesn't that, mate? I think
There's so much stuff on the floor as well.
if that was paranormal, wouldn't it have happened again?
Possibly, well, you'd think so, wouldn't
You'd
you?
have thought so, mate, wouldn't you? You know what I mean? So I look at it that way now, mate. If that was a paranormal shuffle,
And it wanted to let itself be known.
obviously
It
wanted,
carry on.
Yeah, it carried on. It obviously wanted us to know that it's here,
Yeah.
or him, or her, or kid.
We're going to get a device out now. I'll show it you. So this is a mobile phone. I don't know if you know what this is. Maybe you weren't around back then. But it's just like a telephone. But they're more advanced now in 2023. They're literally like computers. And there's an application on this phone that apparently lets you talk to us. So you can pick words from this device and it'll let us know that you're talking to us. So if you could tell us your name, that would be great. I'm going to leave that on the bar. And hopefully, you can come towards us and speak to us. That'd be great.
Tell us your name. Were you a past owner of this pub many years ago? If so, please tell us your name. That's if you do exist.
It's just so quiet, isn't
Mate,
it?
this is,
Really,
I'm
really
having-
quiet.
I'm having second thoughts about this place, mate, seriously, because it's so calm.
Mm.
Do you know something? We haven't had that REM pod go off for how long now?
Wow, mate, it's been ages.
All that. Last time that
Nothing.
went, was it Smallthorne, wasn't it?
4 green oil.
4 green all. That was
Yeah.
only very, maybe that could have been a taxi, couldn't it?
Yeah.
Who knows?
It's very rare that we have equipment going, mate.
Mate,
very,
honestly.
very rare. And half the time it has gone off, we've debunked it.
Yeah.
Interference from things. What if I was to go alone upstairs? Would you do something then? If you want me to come upstairs alone, then could you make a noise? What do you reckon, mate? Split up?
Yeah.
It's worth a go, isn't it? It's just so quiet, isn't it? So I think when it's like this, guys, I think the best thing we can do is just split up to see if anything happens whilst we're alone. Because they do say, don't they, if anything's going to happen, it's going to be when you're on your own.
So they say.
Same as they say is when you're not recording, things happen. And
Yeah.
it's true.
Yeah, definitely, mate.
I'm going to take the K2, mate. I'll leave the REM pod with you.
Yeah.
I'm going to take the ghost tube with me as well. Don't know if you want whacked on your phone, Mark, whilst you're down here, see if we can get any relevant information. But look at that. My phone is on flight mode,
Jerky.
and that
Is it because of the ghost tube on?
is going mental. Well, it's still on flight mode, so it shouldn't do. Let me just check this. Let's have a look. So, as you can see, guys, I just want to show this. Airplane mode, as you can see.
Why is that doing that?
I think it has something to do,
With ghost tube?
no,
Well,
with the camera. When I put the camera right by it,
yeah.
it's going off.
Move the camera then.
As you can see, guys, there's my camera.
Is it the camera?
The camera, whatever's in the camera is setting it off. Let me close ghost tube. I'm going to lock the phone. And now it's stopped.
It's ghost tube then.
Let me open my phone again. Nope, as soon as I unlock my phone and put my camera to it. I mean, bear in mind, guys, it does have to be over the K2. But still, I mean,
You never know.
that
do you?
is still triggering it. Yeah, but what I'm saying, Mark, is... Leave my phone there. What I'm trying to get at here, guys, if people are using mobile phones to record,
It's going
it's going to interact with the equipment.
Definitely 100%.
Now, I've only just noticed that because I was holding the K2 in the
Yeah.
same hand as my phone. Obviously, when I'm at a distance like this, let me just make sure to flip the screen around so I can see. It doesn't go off, yeah? But as soon as I put that camera on it, it's going. So at a distance, it's fine, yeah? Yeah. Bring your phone, Mark. Let's try your phone. You've got the model below mine, haven't you?
Yeah.
So this is the Google 7, guys.
Oh, so I can't see anyone.
That's my phone. That's just yours, mate. It's unlocked, isn't it? Yeah, yours is doing it as well. Look at that, mate. Redlining. On flight mode. As you can see, guys, Mark's is on flight mode as well. Let's see it there. So it's whatever's inside these cameras triggers the K2. 100%. So that's interesting to know, isn't it? That's interesting to know, guys, because if I was filming on a mobile phone now and I was to approach that K2 because it spiked or something, even though the phone is on flight mode, it will still activate the K2 meter. Right then, guys, so I've come upstairs, Mark's downstairs, and I must admit, there's not much space up here at all. I think there's 3 rooms. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the K2 down here.
My friend has gone upstairs if you'd like to go to follow him to see what he's up to. Or would you like to stay here with me if you are about this bar? I'd love you to make a noise for me. To let me know that you do exist and you are here with me. Or come and sit by me.
Could you walk along this landing? I'm going to get the ghost tube out again, guys, just to see if we get anything of relevance. Hardly doubt it, but it's worth a go. I'm going to put that there, out the way of the K2. Okay, so if you heard us downstairs talking, you'll know that I've got a phone there with an application on. And supposedly, you can pick words from that phone and speak to us. So could you tell me your name, please? Or if you don't want to interact with any of the devices, could you make a noise? Right, guys. I can hear something outside moving around. I'm wondering if it's one of the locals. Could have been just an animal, guys. So quiet.
I don't know what else to say to you. I hate asking you to do things. It's not fair, really. I wouldn't like to do something I didn't want to do. But this is the only way I'll find out if you do exist, is by asking you to do things for me. And we do appreciate it. Guess what? My stomach. First time tonight, guys.
Would it be possible to show yourself at the bottom of these stairs? We've been waiting a long time to investigate this pub. Every time we've come, it's been sealed.
I'm going to do one for you. I'm going to make a noise for you. I'm going to knock like this. I want you to copy me.
We've travelled to so many places, all around the country, and we're still yet to find what we're looking for. And everything that we do it with full respect. Because deep down, I know that we don't say it very often, but deep down, we do believe that the paranormal exists. Every single place that we go into, we go in with open minds. Because we know, potentially, something could happen. I heard something walking around outside.
You're joking.
And I thought, fuck man, this is one of their neighbours or something. Looking who's in here. I think it could have been a fox or something.
Yeah.
Because it stopped. I didn't see any torchlight or nothing. No one's coming around here without a torch, mate.
No, the boot, mate. But it's quiet as anything.
Yeah, it's so quiet.
I thought he had little noises, but
Yeah.
it's your imagination when you're down in here in a big place on your own.
Not only that though, mate, we've got cars going past on this main road, vibrations and yeah. But we've waited so long to investigate this place.
We finally done it, mate, haven't we?
Finally done it. I've enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's been a good
We
one.
enjoy
mate.
every investigation,
Yeah.
don't we? We've learnt about the cameras in his
That's a good
phones
thing.
tonight
Yeah.
with Dick K2.
Another thing we've learnt, mate.
Yeah.
But
Other than that,
mate, it's been really quiet.
yeah.
This is it, mate. This is real paranormal. And I'm telling you, mate, this is what'll happen.
This is what we do, isn't it?
This is what you do. I don't care if it takes me 15 years. If
I
I can
don't-
get something at the end of it, that'll do me.
Yeah.
You know what I
Something
mean,
that
mate?
we cannot explain.
What we can't explain, that is what we're here
That's
for.
what it's all about.
And the good thing about us being like this, mate, is if we do get something we
Yeah.
can't explain, it's absolutely fantastic for the viewers,
Yeah,
mate.
it is.
Because they'll think, oh my God, I've actually heard something paranormal. And
Exactly.
like ourselves.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, just,
The thing is, it all boils down to one thing, mate. Anyone can come in a building and say it's haunted.
Of course they
Make bullshit up.
yeah.
Jump around screaming. Make equipment set off like
I know.
we've demonstrated tonight. We ain't into that, mate. That's
no,
not our
mate,
game.
I'm
We
here to find
want
the truth.
real paranormal activity,
Mate.
real paranormal evidence.
Yeah.
We're passionate about it. And that's it,
Keep me
mate.
sleepy, I do now.
I do.
I love it because I want to. I'm so confident in the self that I think we're going to find something
Yeah,
at the end
one
of
day.
it. One day we're going to.
Hopefully,
it's
mate,
gonna
one
happen.
day, yeah.
I think so, mate. I really do because we're asking for it, aren't we? We're
Yeah.
asking for
And
things.
we're
to
doing it
happen.
right.
And we're doing it right. We aren't.
Yeah.
We aren't mucking about. And fingers crossed, mate. Eh?
Yeah.
We'll just keep going, and
That's
keep
all
going.
we can do.